Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, December 19th, and we have the beautiful third weekend in October kit or actual sample quilt to share to show you. Let me move this over so you can get a good view of this gigantic quilt. It finishes at 85 inches by 110 inches. It uses 57 different K-facet fabrics, and you get a whole bunch of yardage. I'm trying to see, usually it tells you how much yardage you get. Look at this gigantic, heavy, awesome kit. So the kits are available in the store. We will have this quilt for a few weeks. We're borrowing it from Free Spirit Fabrics. And then when we send it back, hopefully the kits will be gone. But if not, you can still grab those here in the store as well. Okay, next up we have the highly anticipated Trilingual quilt kit. I showed you this quilt. It was hanging right here last week. Now we have the kit in stock. This is also a pretty large quilt. It finishes at 72 inches square, and it includes bunches of fabric as well. So that's available. And along with that, we have Anna Maria Horner's Fluent fabrics, which are the fabrics that are used in that kit in these 10-inch charms. So I can flip through and show you a little bit of that. You probably got to see a lot of it last week when we were showing the Trilingual quilt. So that's now available in the store. Next up, we have new fabric. Let me see if I can move all this stuff over. We're kind of doing this in front of the quilt today because it was easier to move us to the quilt than it was to move the quilt to us. um, so this fabric is called Glisten, and I want to tip it for you so you can really appreciate the pearlescence. Glisten is 15. We have 15 colors. It's by Patrick Lose for Northcott. And the description is add a flash of sparkle to your next project with Glisten, a 100% cotton blender with a pearl finish. And you can see here, we just kind of lined it up for you with all the different colors. I actually really like this one. It looks kind of snowy, kind of icy, snowy. So if you just want to take a look at all the different colors there, and here's the other two that I had to put underneath because we were running out of space. You can actually see the pearl really well on the black as well. Or I guess that's charcoal, not black. Yep, it's called charcoal. Then let me see what else I have to tell you while you're checking that out. Couple other things. It is Christmas week, and we are going to be closed on Saturday and Sunday, the 24th and 25th, but we're open normal hours the rest of the week, so you can come visit us anytime between 10 and 5 all week long and 10 to 7 every single Tuesday. So be sure to get your shopping done before the weekend. We also have gift certificates available, and you can get those plastic gift cards in the shop, or you can get digital versions online. And I will be making sure that those get fulfilled until 11 o'clock every night. So if you are a procrastinator and you decide you need a gift card at 10:30 p.m. on the 24th, I will be your Santa, and I will make sure that it gets to your email inbox before 11 o'clock p.m. I think that's all we've got this week, or today anyway. We'll definitely be back with more this week. I hope you get a chance to come in and see this stunning quilt in person. The colors are amazing. The K-facet shot cottons are so beautiful to work with. And I hope you have a great afternoon. Take some time for yourself, take some time to sew, and we'll see you back here at the shop tomorrow. Bye.